pop. Some driving cruise shots. That was good. Sounds so good. Sounds better than my car. It's official. I can't. Pops are once in a blue moon. And once we get a tune for this, we'll make it pop anytime. But for now, on the stock tune, probably not gonna pop when I want it to. Wow, what do you think?
It sounds amazing.
Sounds like a fine machine.
Can't wait to get it tuned.
It got more power. It's got more power from 3,000 to whatever 4,500. You got a lot of torque now. Not okay, a lot, but more torque. It doesn't have that dip, and then it does. I don't know. The video got it, but again, what I was talking about is down low before like 3,500 RPM. It has that rumble. But beyond the 3,500, it starts to sound more equal and kind of like more smooth. There's more power, definitely. It's power you can feel, so it's not like an intake or something where you can't feel, but there is definitely more power. Now, does this transform the car? No, but it is more power, and every kind of power bump does help. So finishing off, you should get a tune with this. I don't have any check engine lights or anything. I've been driving it for a few days now, and it's been great. So
how much faster does it make?
I think it's really like, if you ever took calculus, you want to talk about the area under the curve, but it basically makes power everywhere more, and then it's about 10-15 horsepower, and you can definitely feel it. I think it's the only mod where you can actually feel something in this car. Now, we do have a catback exhaust, but that didn't make the car feel faster. So maybe the header and the exhaust combined makes it faster, but overall it's been good. Something I recommend if you're looking for more of a rumbly sound, probably not the header for you to get. You should get the Tomei so you get that WRX rumbly sound. But if you're looking for a mature and more rumbly, but not as rumbly, I know the word rumbly, this is a really good alternative. And because it has a cat, it doesn't smell. It's been good. The quality is really nice. Now, the fitment was a little bit hard. Just be careful when you put the header to the front pipe, or the over pipe as they call it, because it's at a weird angle. Something maybe you probably want to go another over pipe, but people say that's not really the restriction with this car, it's just the header. So there you have it. It's a good exhaust. Corsa with header, no drone, not very loud. Sounds as loud as basically a regular Corsa exhaust, which is kind of loud, but it didn't make it much louder. But other than that, it's been good. So let me know if you guys want to see any more videos of like this. If you want to hear more exhaust videos from the BRZ, we haven't had too much videos on the BRZ, but we're trying to bring it back. So hopefully we'll get more BRZ channel content for the channel. Other than that, sounds good. It's like a perfect balance where it's rumbly, and it would be cool if it rumbled all the way to the top, but I like the way it is right now. it's already recording. Okay. So we have the stock header here. It's about, I don't know, 30 pounds. Oh, okay, this is all leather. 20 pounds. But yeah, we got all the seat shields, so you can't really see the equal length, kind of. Even the stock BRZs are slightly unequal. All right. So this is the header from Ft86speefactory. This is their unequal length catted header. So let me just roll the windows up. Now we have it paired to a Corsa exhaust, so Corsa catback exhaust, and then we still have the OEM stock overpipe and front pipe. Now I'm gonna tell you right now, a lot of people are talking about how the unequal length header or just a header makes this car super loud. I don't really agree with that. I think the car sounds pretty much the same with this header. It does have a cat, so I guess that really does lower the decibels. Now, the sound, take a listen. Pretty quiet, and you can kind of hear rumbly. Let's roll down the windows. You can hear a lot better with the windows down. Now, when I listen to this exhaust, the unequal length, it doesn't sound as rumbly as a WRX like the older ones, but from 1,000 to basically 3,500 RPM, that's where the rumble, it has rumble, and then up top it kind of loses that rumble. So let's listen.